Idol, fastest way to gain muscle and burn fat. Okay, calorie deficit. Kung yung kinakain natin, yung nutrition natin. Kung naka-maintenance tayo, maintain lang. Kung nag-workout tayo, resistance training, progressive overload na stimulate yung muscle, magkaka-muscle, so magkakaroon ng body recomposition. Yung fats magiging muscle, so same weight. Pero kung naka-calorie deficit, papaya tayo, mag-burn yung fat, magagamit siya as energy, so magkaka-muscles tayo. Para lumabas ng 6-pack, 15% body fat, usually 12% or 10% body fat para makita. Kung ilan yung, kung 4-pack, 6-pack, 8-pack, genetics na yan. Kung 2-pack, nasa tao na yan. Ngayon, nutrition talaga magdadala dyan, tsaka consistency on working out. Yung cardio, nasa sa inyo na yun. Ang slow-paced cardio, fat stores ang binoburn. Pag mabilisan, hit training, running, jogging, binoburn mo, glycogen stores sa muscles. Yung carbohydrates sa liver stores, ganyan. So, kayo na yung madaming options pa rin. Yung mga fastest way. Tama kayo, mali ako, not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy health.